Thinikira thiini wa mabũrũri ma kiarabu Kenya riu mari na undu wa gukenerera thutha wa bũrũri wa Kenya gwikanira Ngirimiti na mabũrũri maya ma kiarabu ya uria aruti a wira kuma bũrũri-ini witu wa Kenya mathiaga kuruta mawira bũrũri-ini wa Saudi Arabia. Ngirimiti ino yekiranirwo guku mucii munene wa Nairobi gatagate ka Minista wa uruti wa wira undu umwe na mabarothi ari ni hamwe na atongoria kuma ruhonge-ini rwa nssf.
Kenyans who work in the hospitality space to be able to provide you the various workers in various fields, and we look forward to providing you all this.
Minista wa uruti wa wira Florence unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa Takmal Agency rwa kuma bũrũri-ini wa Saudi Arabia thutha wa gwikanira Ngirimiti ino. Minista uyu ni ugite ati ni mambikite ta thirikari mihango undu umwe na mitaratara ya gwethana na honge kiumbe iria itwaraga andu bũrũri-ini wa Saudi Arabia niguo gucingumana nacio gutiganiria Akenya riria makinya mabũrũri-ini maya ma kiarabu, undu uria ucungagiriria Akenya guthinika gutangika undu umwe na kunyarirwo kumana na kwaga mishara yao.
System has reduced the cost of recruitment. It has also created transparency and eliminated any brokers and middlemen in the recruitment process. So through this system, we are able to trace the journey of a migrant worker.
Na oho niongerere na kuga ati Akenya matakunyihira 200,000 nio mathiete bũrũri-ini wa Saudi Arabia, huku nao marigitari 2,500 makirirwo gathie bũrũri-ini uyu kwambika mitaratara ya kugacirithia sekta ugima wa mwiri thiini wa bũrũri wa Saudi Arabia kinyanĩria na mwaka-ini tũrorete wa 2024.
That we have Kenyans who have trained in medicine, nursing, engineering, architecture, agriculture, banking, teaching, transportation, and we also have skilled artisans that can be able to work in the construction sites in the Kingdom of Saudi.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa uthami thiini wa bũrũri wa Saudi Arabia niongerere na kuga ati ta thirikari ya Saudi ni mambikite mitaratara ya guteithĩrĩria aruti a wira kuma bũrũri-ini wa Kenya thie bũrũri-ini wa Saudi kuruta wira hatari guthinika undu umwe na kwagagio.
We have the CCRC. I met them. They are very, very good team. And I'd want to appeal to the Kenyan recruitment agencies that kindly let us remove any bottlenecks that are there. Let's work with the private recruitment agencies on the other end to ensure that labor migration is streamlined and we reduce the number of distress cases.
Adine Hamuthingi TV, ruhonge-ini Maina, muchuwe.